Yes, good morning, students. How are you all? We are doing a chapter lightning in the natural phenomena. So we already discussed about lightning, properties of charge, and static charge, electroscope. So next we will discuss today the cause of lightning. So what are the causes of lightning? We already know what is lightning. So today we will discuss the cause of lightning. So what are the causes of lightning? There is a theory part given to your book at page number 168. So what they said, in the earlier classes we know that during summer season what will happen, a humid or a warm air moves upward. We will understand it by a diagram. See, cause of lightning. What happen in the summer season? Generally in the summers, what happen, the sun gives us heat. So this heat warms the water and air present on earth. So this is earth, and the earth there is a water and air. So due to sun, these air and water moves upward. Why they moves upward? Because air when become warm, it become lighter and moves upward. So the warm air or wind moves upward due to sun rays. ठीक है. So these upward air or wind carry water droplets in it. Okay, and these air and water droplets form clouds. This is cloud. These air, the warm air or wind forms cloud, and these clouds has water droplets in it. When these water droplets become heavier or condense, they again comes to the earth. This is like a water cycle we are discussing. Okay, then what happened during this path? ठीक है, warm air moves upward and water droplets move downward. What happened during the path? ठीक है, warm wind moves upward and water droplets move, or you can say the rain, water droplets move downward. What happened between the path? There is a friction, ठीक है, or rubbing, you can say the rubbing process. ठीक है, the upward moving wind and downward moving water droplets interact with each other. And what happened during interaction? Transfer of electrons, and hence the clouds will gain the positive charge on the upper part and negative charge on the lower part. Okay, during the interaction between the warm wind and the water droplets, warm wind moving upward, water droplets moving downward, there is a interaction between these two. Due to interaction there is a friction, there is rubbing, there must be a generation of charge, and the clouds gain upward charge on the upper part, positive charge on the upper part and negative charge on the lower part of the cloud. I am showing here the cloud. Okay, this is due to friction or rubbing, or you can say the interaction. And on the earth we have tree, buildings, house. Okay, and we already discussed the phenomena of induction. What is the phenomena of induction? A charged body can generate opposite polarity charge on the non-charged bodies. Okay? What is induction? We already discussed. If we have the charged body, for example, this is a charged body. It has a positive charge, and it is a uncharged body. When we bring a charged body near to the uncharged body, then automatically opposite polarity charge generates on the uncharged body. This phenomena is known as induction. So due to induction, the negative part of cloud will generate the opposite polarity positive charge on building, on tree. Okay? So where is the lightning here? So the negative charge in the lower end and positive charge on the upper part of the building tree, these are of opposite polarity. This is negative, this is positive. We know that positive negative will attract each other. So due to the attraction of negative and positive charge, negative part of the lower to the cloud and positive part to the upper ends of a building, house, tree, they start attracting each other. Due to the attraction or due to the these clouds move downward and this positive charge move upward, there must be a lightning spark. So when they meet, positive and negative charge meet, they produce a spark. So when positive and negative charge meet, the zigzag manner of spark produce. Why the zigzag part? Because this layer is not symmetrical. This is like this. Tree is upper, then building is lower, then building is higher. So this is not a symmetrical. Okay? Positive, 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 negative, negative. This is not a symmetrical. This is like this. Positive is here, negative is here, positive is here. Okay? This is negative. So this is a zigzag manner. This is not symmetrical, zigzag manner. So this zigzag manner of spark produces is known as lightning. So this is the lightning. This is the phenomena or cause of lightning. There is a very famous example or a scientist named Benjamin Franklin. You might have listened about this Benjamin Franklin. ठीक है, who invented the lightning spark or static charge? What he did a kite experiment in 1752. He fly, for example, he is Benjamin Franklin. He fly a kite in the rainy season. ठीक है, or there is some kind of rain there and thundering is there. So what he did, he fly a kite and he used a silk thread or silk string, and one end he bind a iron key with this silk thread or string. Then what will happen during a lightning? The static charge transfer to the kite, and through the kite the charge move toward the iron key, and the Benjamin Franklin get a jerk, or you can say the feel a spark or any jerk from the static charge, because due to static charge the charge transfer through the silk thread toward the key, and he feel a jerk due to static charge of clouds. So he make a observation, lighting can occur by the process of electric discharge either between the two clouds or that between a cloud and the earth. So this is all about the cause of lightning. Next we have the safety measures against lightning strike. What are the safety measures we should know? Stay inside during lightning, don't wet yourself, never stand on the open field, never stand below the tall tree, unplug all the electrical appliances, do not touch the conducting material. So this is the precaution we should use during lightning. Don't use umbrella and with metallic rod. You know the causes, because we know that the static charge will transfer from one to another object and itself discharge and charge the object. Next we have the lightning conductor. Lightning conductor is a very important device mostly used in our houses to protect the house from the lightning. We will discuss it. What is lightning conductor? So it is a device that is used to save the lightning from save the building from damaging effect of lightning. Okay? So what they will do, for example, this is the building, and the lightning conductor should has larger length or a higher length than the building. For example, building is of this much height and lightning conductor is of this much height, more than the height of building. The top, the higher part of the lightning conductor is Y shaped. Then we have the conducting metallic rod. Today it is placed in the walls of the house. Then in the ground we buried the copper plate, attach the copper plate with it. So it has three substance mainly, Y shaped, then metal rod, then in the ground we have the copper plate. So what will happen during lightning? During lightning, the lightning firstly meets this Y shaped part. So all the static charge from clouds or lightning transfer to this Y shaped, then static charge moves from the lightning conducting metallic rod toward the ground. Hence the building will save from the lightning. So it has the working principles. Firstly, collect static charge during lightning. Firstly, we have to collect the static charge. This Y shaped end or top will collect the static charge. This is known as charge accumulation. What was the second step? Providing a conducting path for accumulated charge. So this accumulated part get the conducting path from this metallic rod. This is known as charge transfer. Third step is transferring of static charge to the ground. So hence here in the third part, the charge transfer from metallic rod to ground. The grounding is known as earthing effect. So this is all about the lightning conductor. Okay, thank you.